I am just going to be experimenting here. I have a Kool-Aid stain that just went on my counter. If you have laminate counters like me, you know they stain, they soak up everything, and if you get Kool-Aid or any sort of like coloring on them, good luck trying to get it off. In this bowl, I have baking soda and water that's mixed together as a paste, and I'm just going to spread this right on that Kool-Aid stain and let this sit for a while. And I want to see if this baking soda and water will suck up that stain out of the counter. We're going to see what happens. I'm going to leave this sit for about an hour or so. And I think when I rinse it off, I'm going to spray it with just plain vinegar and wipe it off with an old cleaning towel. And we'll see if that does the trick. So stay tuned because I have high hopes for this. So this baking soda has been sitting on my counter for a while. I just have my rag dipped in some vinegar. And I'm just going to start kind of buffing this in. That fizzing and bubbling is just the chemical reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar. But look at that, I think it actually worked.
It did.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this helped you remove stains off of your laminate countertop, and I'll catch you guys in another video.